Welcome back. So for those of you who are familiar with the channel, you'll know that I've put a Screamin Eagle clutch in, and the spring's quite heavy, which is okay, but in traffic or town this clutch movement is quite stiff. So I thought I'd ease that by fitting a Clutchlite Extra Soft, which reduces the force by about 40%. So that's what this video is all about, me fitting that. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's helpful. So here it is. That's the website if you want more information. It's just that bit. And they come in 3 strengths: soft, extra soft, and extra extra soft. Soft reduces the force you needed on the lever by about 20%. Extra soft, which is this one, reduces the force by 30%, and extra extra soft reduces it by 40%. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of the foot peg. That's probably right just out of the way there. I'll just loosen the clutch adjustment. That should be enough. And then take the cover off. So I'm just going to loosen everything with an impact. And just in case you're interested, before I take this thing off, I always get new screws in case they're needed, because they mince up really easily. And as you do this last one, there's a spring inside that you don't want to lose. So just do that carefully. There's the spring. And then that just carefully lifts out. And just screw that clockwise till the nut comes out. And then that assembly lifts out, and that's the bit we're going to be replacing. So I'll unhook that there. I'm going to be very careful that that doesn't fall in. And then on the other side there's a small circlip. I'll just release that. And there's 3 ball bearings in here, so you've got to be careful. There they are. And back on with that. Circlip back on. Make sure it's seated. Helps if it's the right way around. And pop it back in. Screw the nut back in. And then just adjust the clutch, so counterclockwise till we feel a slight resistance, and then it's a quarter of a turn. That's the clutch adjusted. Back on with this, and I'm just going to clean this and grease it. So I think best practice would be to replace this seal, but this isn't that old. I have got a new one, but I'm going to try it like that first. And I'm going to adjust the clutch while the cover's off and see if everything works okay. I won't put the boot back on yet. I'll make sure everything's working. Well, that certainly is easier on the lever, for sure. And then just bunt up. And then I'm torquing these up to 9.5 Newton meters. I might actually do that up to 10 actually. 10 Newton meters. And then back on with the footrest. And these are 45 to 50 foot-pounds. So I'm doing it at 48. Bit of grease on there just to make it easier. Put the old boot back on. Oh, check it. Yep. There we go. That's all right. Job's a good one. So, fairly easy if you've got the right tools, I guess. Definitely makes the clutch easier to pull in. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel algorithm, helps the channel to grow. And I'll catch you next time. Cheerio.